Miss Victoria with the Miss Victoria's Health and Wellness Room, and today I'm going to teach you how to sow your seeds at home with minimum equipment. I'm going to give you what you need. The first thing you're going to need is a roll of paper towels, a pair of scissors, a basin with water. I use a little Pyrex. And if you have some of these hanging around left over from some parties you've had, something plastic where you can lay your seeds. So now that you have your seeds selected, you're going to rip out 4 sheets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 sheets you're going to take and you're going to fold them in 4 parts. Once you fold them in 4 parts like this, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut them. Find the center there. It's okay if they rip a little bit. Okay? And since I am going to be planting some root vegetables, we have some beets, some carrots. I'm doing beets because my family really likes beets, and radish. So these are my root vegetables. I'm going to get my water basin and I'm going to put it right up here, and my plastic container. Like I said before, it is very important, and if I didn't say it, I'm going to say it again. It is very important to label your seeds, because once you have them in there, you're not going to be able to tell what is what, okay? So you're going to grab these and you're going to fold them like so. See? Fold them. You're going to fold all 4. I like to do them ahead of time so I could not worry about it. And I could get on a rhythm here, like so. So keep on. And I have 4 root vegetables, and of course I'm gonna plant some more, so it's okay for me to have all these cut out. Okay, so the first packet that I'm going to put is sweet corn. It's a True Go from Zia Maize. It's USDA organic, so it's a non-GMO formula, so it hasn't been treated. It sows after 75 to 80 days, it'll grow out, so it gives us about 3 months, you'll see. And you're supposed to space them 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Okay? So you should put 12 group of, make sure that you're doing 2 seeds for every 12 inches, row spacing 2 to 3 feet. So if you're going to do rows, but I'm going to put these right against my fence outside. Okay? And that's it. So here we go. And that's my bird in the background, like always, screaming. So this is sweet corn. What I do first is I take this little water basin that I have. I'm going to move this one a little bit further. And I wet it. Then I will put it in my plastic container. As you can see, I let it nice and wet. So I go ahead, and once I put it in my plastic container, I open it gently so I won't rip the tissue, the paper towel. Thank you, Bounty, for making such durable paper towels. It makes it possible for us to sow our own seeds at minimum cost. And they just look like regular corn kernels. Isn't that cool? Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 and 2 together because that's what the packet called for. 2. As you can see, I'm doing them about 1 inch apart. Maybe 2. Let me move it. That's 1 inch apart. 2 more. 2 more. And 2 more. And I am not going to waste space, and I'm going to use that little corner there to sew. Alright, so right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants. And all I do is then I cover it up. So my fence is pretty large, so I'm going to make 2 of these. And make sure that your name is shooting up. I actually did it backwards. And they're very easier. It's easier to manipulate these because they're a little larger seeds. So you have those. The next one will be also some sweet corn. So we're only focusing on root vegetables today. You go ahead and you wet the paper towel again like I taught you. You open up the paper towel. And you repeat. 2 seeds, 2 seeds, in this case kernels, 2 kernels, 2 kernels, 2 kernels, 2 kernels. Then you continue with each seed packet. I hope you enjoyed our video on how to start your seeds to start your vegetable garden. In my next section, I'm going to teach you what to do with your seeds once they have germinated. Don't forget to water your seeds. Make sure that towel is nice and moist. If you like this video, please feel free to like, share, tag someone you love, because this can be very helpful.